Hi, join me as I unbox my Niacinamide Gluta-Soap from Midas Essence. As you can see, niacinamide is very well known in our skin industries because of its powerful benefits like it brightens the skin tone, reduces inflammation, improves the skin barrier, and of course, the niacinamide also fights acne, thus it helps regulate excess oil production in our skin. And of course, ang pinaka-favorite ko is reducing fine lines and wrinkles at pinapaliit niya ang pores natin.